What does equals ir do in Python? Google won't let me search equals, so I'm having trouble finding relevant documentation. Anybody know?
In Python, and many other programming languages, is the bitwise OR operation. Equals is to as plus equals is to plus, i.e. a combination of operation and assignment. So var equals value is short for var equals var value. A common use case is to merge two sets.
It performs a binary bitwise OR of the left-hand and right-hand sides of the assignment, then stores the result in the left-hand variable. This URL
This is just an OR operation between the current variable and the other one. Being t equals true and f equals false, see the output graphically. For example,
When used with sets, it performs union operation.
It was optional. We could survive it as a pilot.